Trendy. Riding the wave of modern cool. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases, specifically focusing on one word that you might hear often in conversations, especially among young people: trendy. Let's uncover what it means and how you can use it. Trendy is an adjective that describes something, or someone, that is very fashionable or up-to-date. It's often used to refer to things that are popular or in vogue at a particular moment in time. For example, that new cafe downtown is very trendy right now. She always wears the most trendy outfits. Trendy is derived from the word trend, which refers to a general direction in which something is developing or changing. When something becomes widely accepted or popular, it's said to be trending. Thus, if something is trendy, it's following or aligned with the current trends. To get a better grasp of the word, let's look at some more examples. 1. If you're looking for trendy shoes, you should check out that new store. 2. I prefer classic styles over trendy ones. They never go out of fashion. 3. The band's music became trendy and was played everywhere. 4. He's always chasing after the latest trendy gadgets. Notice that the word can be used in a variety of contexts, from fashion to music to technology. Knowing synonyms can help you understand the essence of the word even better. Some synonyms for trendy include fashionable, stylish, in vogue, popular, modern. However, always be cautious of the context, as some synonyms might fit better in certain situations than others. So there you have it. The next time you hear someone mention a trendy restaurant or a trendy song, you'll know exactly what they mean. English is filled with such dynamic words that reflect our evolving culture and tastes. Keep learning, and until next time, stay curious and keep riding the wave of language exploration.